Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start with the essentials. Confirm you have an RTX GPU and the latest drivers, then install GeForce Experience. Once done, open Nvidia Broadcast or the integrated eye contact panel and choose your webcam as the video source. This gives the program direct access. Make sure to enable eye contact in the video effects list and toggle it on. You're now ready for the initial calibration step that prepares the model to track and subtly correct your gaze in real time. Now you configure and refine. Position your camera so your face and eyes are centered, then run the built-in calibration to let the model learn your features. This improves accuracy. Once calibrated, adjust the intensity slider, reduce it for subtle corrections or increase for stronger gaze alignment, because too much makes you look unnatural. Next, switch your conferencing app to the Nvidia virtual camera output and run a short mock call to confirm the effect and make incremental tweaks to lighting and intensity. And to finish, save a profile with your preferred intensity and lighting notes so you can quickly reuse the setup. Make sure GeForce Experience and your call app are allowed to access the camera each time. If you notice lag, stuttering, or visual artifacts, lower the eye contact intensity and close other GPU-heavy apps. This reduces load and stabilizes performance. If tracking drifts or fails, restart the app and rerun the quick calibration. This usually restores correct gaze alignment and removes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.